Hi everyone, welcome to Rak's Kitchen. This is Rajeshwari Vijayanand. Today I am going to make Puli aval. Let's see how to make it. Soak one small gooseberry sized tamarind in hot water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, extract tamarind juice by adding more water. Take aval in a bowl and wash it to remove any impurities. Drain water completely and add the tamarind extract to it. Add turmeric, salt, Asafoetida and few torn curry leaves to the soaking poha itself. Keep this covered for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you will see the aval absorbed all the liquid. Now heat a kadai and add about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add red chilli to it first. Splutter mustard. Add urad dal, chana dal and peanuts. A generous sprinkle of Asafoetida. I used roasted peanuts. If you are using raw peanuts, add before you add urad dal to ensure it gets roasted crisp. Add some curry leaves. Stir until the dals turn golden in color. Now add the soaked aval to the kadai. Stir gently to ensure it is mixed evenly. Level it with spatula gently. Cook covered for a couple of minutes. If you have soaked for longer, it just gets cooked as you stir, so no need to cook cover, but I like to cook covered for extra soft and moist aval. Once done, give a gentle stir again. Finish with a generous drizzle of sesame oil. This will ensure the aval not so dry when you eat. Puli aval is ready. Enjoy it hot. I hope you like this recipe. This is a quick fix for breakfast and dinner. Do try this at home and send your feedback through comments, or you can send photos through my Instagram handle or Facebook handle. We'll be happy to share it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe Rak's Kitchen.